All right, Jonathan, this is your Tweed Twin reissue, 5E8-A. It's hand-wired. Got a pair of Eminence Alnico drivers in there. Look pretty tasty. What doesn't look tasty are these leaky filter caps. Every one of them is just oozing out of their vents, even way over here on the preamp side. If you need a cap job, my friend, you have some noisy pots as well. You already knew that. Fenders? Did you? Fender? Oh, do we have an adjustable bias here? Sure looks like it. So, while this is my first rodeo with this hand-wired reissue, it's not my first rodeo with a Tweed Twin. Oh, look who made a chassis solder joint, Fender. Look at you guys. Trying to hide it back there. I see what you're doing. But then you run the ground from the power cord onto a lug. You just never cease to amaze, Fender. So we gotta get these caps out of there, buddy. Your 5U4Gs are a little noisy mechanically. That doesn't mean they're bad. You have a little hodgepodge of preamp tubes. Here, we'll be able to test them more fully once we have a stable power amp. That's for certain. So stand by. All right, Jonathan. Oh, I had some massive hum after doing the cap job. It was there prior, but still very pervasive. These are Svetlana Wing Cs. These are perfectly balanced. The other ones were off by about 10 milliamps. You have a little mechanical noise in these 5U4Gbs, and I had to rearrange these wires here in order to cut down that background hum. There's still a bit there, but it's about 75% less. So I'm pretty happy so far. I'll see what else I can do, but yeah, very happy so far. Update soon.